Welcome to Freud. In this video, we'll show you how a technician can complete a service ticket step by step. Log in using your username and password. Do your daily punch-in. Next, open your service ticket list to view all assigned tickets. Tap on any ticket to see the details. Under Address, you can view the machine location. Tap the map icon to get directions in Google Maps. When you arrive at the site, tap Punch In. The app automatically records your arrival time and location. Capture and upload images or videos of the work done. You can draw on images before saving to highlight faults or completed repairs. Add notes using speech to text. Speak in any language. Your notes are automatically translated to English. Check machine history to review previous service tickets and understand past issues before starting work. Add expenses related to the service. Attach receipts and share expense details instantly via WhatsApp if needed. After finishing the job, tap Punch Out. The app records your end time and location, and you can add final speech-to-text notes. Now, complete the service ticket. Fill in the complaint reported, problem rectified, customer remarks, and parts or materials used. Choose the problem category, then enter payment details. If payment is pending, mark it accordingly. Next, hand the phone to the customer and select the customer signer. The customer can preview all service details, give a rating, and sign directly on the phone. After capturing the signature, tap Save and Submit. Once submitted, you can share the ticket completion message instantly via WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully completed a service ticket using the mobile app, making your service process faster, smarter, and more connected. Welcome to Freud.